When Mint announced its shutdown, many users found themselves in a tough spot. Mint had been a reliable tool for tracking spending, viewing account balances, and getting a quick snapshot of overall financial health, all in one place. Its free model and automatic categorization made budgeting feel effortless, so the sudden need to switch apps felt more like an interruption than a choice. The good news is that this moment offers a chance to upgrade. Enter Monarch Money, a budgeting platform that picks up where Mint left off and then goes further. The question becomes, after Mint's shutdown, which app becomes the better long-term solution? Monarch Money brings a clear and intentional way to manage your financial life. With Monarch, you link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments, and the app updates your transactions automatically. But the real difference is how it organizes your financial world. The dashboard is clean and easy to understand. You get spending breakdowns, goal setting, net worth tracking, and customized categories. If you share finances with a partner, Monarch supports that too. You can collaborate on budgets, view shared spending, and stay aligned on goals. That collaborative feature is something Mint struggled with. The trade-off is cost. Monarch is subscription-based while Mint was free. So you are deciding whether you value the added clarity, structure, and support enough to pay for it. For those who want more than just tracking, those who want direction and insight, Monarch offers a meaningful upgrade. Comparing the two, here is what stands out. Mint was excellent for automatic tracking and passive monitoring. It was a good tool for getting started. But now that it is gone, the question is, do you want just tracking, or do you want to build better financial habits? Monarch goes beyond tracking. It builds structure into your budgeting process. It helps you plan your savings, monitor your net worth, and stay accountable. If your budgeting style was reactive, checking what happened last month, then Monarch helps shift to proactive, planning what happens next month. Yes, you are paying for it, but you are getting more than a replacement. You are investing in a tool that supports your financial journey. After a smooth transition from Mint to Monarch, you can settle into an app that not only shows your spending, but also supports what you want to achieve. Whether your goals are paying off debt, building emergency savings, or increasing net worth, Monarch gives you a clear path. Mint helped you see where you were. Monarch helps you decide where you are going. For many users, that difference makes Monarch the better choice after Mint's shutdown.